How's it going, everyone? It is Versus Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I want to go right back over MSTR. I made a previous video about this, and I have nailed it perfectly. And I got a lot of bash about it because of all the, the crypto and all this stuff. It's never gonna go down. We're gonna go to the moon forever. Let me show you. I'm not using any bias. I'm showing you exactly what my system tells me, exactly where you can find tops and exactly where you can find bottoms in the markets. It's not just my opinions. This is no bias. I'm using exactly my system that is proven to work for over 6 years and how I make consistent money in the market, month after month, right? So, and before I get into that, do keep in mind I have a premium Discord where you can find the best trade alerts for the best bottom plays in the market and top plays that I announce for only $6 a month. And I'm going to show you guys the exact system of how this works, and I promise you're going to love it because anyone can do this as long as you have eyeballs and you do the education that I teach. You can learn this strategy too and make massive money. So I made a video on this right on this candle here, right around this area. I said if the price goes above this band, this is going to be the best shorting opportunity. And a lot of people are saying, it's not going to get shorted right there. And sure enough, you can look in my past YouTube videos. I literally named a level right above this upper band, and that's where it's going to get shorted. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're looking at. So before I get into the technicalities, we have three bands. The bottom band is your buy zone. Doesn't mean you get in right away. The top band is your sell zone. Doesn't mean you short or buy puts right away. And then the most important band is your middle band, and that is where price has to go back to. It will always hit it, and it does it, religiously. I promise you, price will go back to it. And when I say go back to it, the longest I see is over, 2 months. That's really the longest you'll see. But between that 1 month to 2 month mark, I look for heavy signals, to make massive money on those alerts, right? And right in here, we have our signal that hit it at 208, and then this is 319. This is about a month and some change is what we got here. But like I said, price has to go and hit it, and that's why it hit it right there. But I'm just going to show you some previous things. As you can see, anytime there's a gap right here, it fills it, and then it's always filling it right here. So you don't have any gaps unfinished. And anytime you have a candle that's right up here, that's on the sell side, plus a nice gap, be aware that the price is going to make its way down to that middle band. Just do keep that in mind. And right in here, you get your gap plus the buy. It fills it. It is very easy to use. Right here was one of the best alerts right here for MSTR for a buy zone. Huge gap right in here at 421. Keep that in mind. Hits the middle band at 531. So 421 to 521 is 1 month. And then 521 to 531 is like a month and like a week and change, right? So it hits it beautifully to a T. You get a nice buy signal right in here, so you accumulate as much shares as you want. And guess what? You get a rebound to that middle band. That's what I'm trying to sell you. Same thing here. Nice gap at 1227. Hits it at 207. 1227 to 127 and then 207. You get the pattern. Around 1 month and some change is when these blue bands are getting hit. Plus, you want to make sure a buy signal right in here. Plus the buy signal, accumulate the shares. It goes up. You can catch a rebound here, and then it goes up and then make massive money because you know it's going to hit that middle band. So a lot of patience. And so then when everyone was bashing me when I made this YouTube video, obviously nobody likes to be a bear. I like to be a bull. I do not like being a bear, but if there is a flip side of the coin to make money, I'm not going to be bullish up in this region. And let me show you also the weekly candle. Right in here, I do not do trades based on the weekly candle. I use the daily for precise entries, but look at the overextension we have on the weekly candle. Look at this. You have candles above this upper band. This is very dangerous for bulls. Yes, you can keep going up, like right here, it went up, but you're going to look at the daily for more precise entries. When I saw this, I saw, okay, weekly was above. You see this big, massive daily above? Guess what? 21% down the next day, right in here. That's all you need for options. Then you take your trade, put a stop loss, and then rinse and repeat. Wait for the daily again. I can't make this up. This is very, very common what I see. Massive wick to it. It can't sustain this. Bam, back down. And then this was the best alert that I was telling people in my last video. If it goes to this range, most likely it's going to hit the middle band. And guess what? To a T. It went up to this range, went down, can make your nice gains, just like these candles here. These big one, you can make some nice gains, have it retest if you wanted to re-add, and then make a big move down. And that's what we're going to see. And this doesn't mean it's very bearish and it's going to reverse all the way down. What I'm seeing right now is a nice correction. This is what it needed to do for the bulls. It just doesn't make sense to be a bull up here is what I'm saying. Now it can hit this, and what you want to see for the bull side, how it hits the middle band? You want to see it go back up and retest a new higher high. That would be bullish. But I'm not bullish if the candles are above the red band. This was a nice put option play. Very nice put option play. You want to make sure, one, if the weekly was above, that's all you need to see. Okay, I'm looking to buy some puts. You don't take your trades based on this. As you can see, it's too hard. Then you go to the daily. Okay, what's overextended? And then also another thing is KDJ. If you ever see a K higher than 90, that is very scary also for the bulls. It can't retain it, so this next candle refreshes this K right in here, and then it goes back up to 90s, and then right in here was another 90K, and then it goes down again. So that's what I'm saying is, you want to look for these gaps that are unfinished. For the bull side, you want to see it near the lower band like this, and then a nice gap to fill up. And then for the bear side, this was a perfect example. This was very beautiful. Big gap, plus daily and weekly above the upper band for a nice short signal to retest the middle band. So yeah, this was a beautiful, very beautiful trade. I really like seeing this kind of stuff because it just reiterates that this system does work. I'm not putting any bias. I'm showing you exactly how I'm trading. I'm not I'm not using RSI and say, oh, it's overextended. I'm using exact indicators with exact terminology that works, that has been proven to work for over 6 years. And yes, I was willing to take a lot of bash, but to me, I was trying to help the bulls and just get in at a better price. Do not buy at these areas. I know it looks very promising that you think it will never go down, but it will go down because price cannot sustain this. It has to revert to the mean, and that's what it is right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, do keep in mind to join the premium Discord. You will learn the most by joining it, and it's only $6 a month. And what you get out of this is you get trade alerts, my exact entries and exits, how a disciplined trader does trades, and how you let the market come to you. And you're looking for exact alerts just like this one for our sell side, or I like to be a bull. You're looking for this one right here for a buy side for any ticker. Doesn't have to be this one, but for any stock that's a bigger cap stock over $1, we're looking for these kind of alerts with big gaps to hit that middle band for a consistency of rate of over a 95% win ratio this strategy has. I have a setup video, how to trade options, the best trend reversal strategy, and how to get your indicators on your chart to look like this with the right settings, and then the right education on how to use it. This was just a short analogy of how I wanted to go back over this because I did get a lot of beef, and a lot of people thought I was wrong to think about shorting up in this area. To me, it made a lot of sense. No, I can't say I knew exactly what it's going to do, but I did have a high percentage of what the price could do, and it just, to me, was risk versus reward. It was risky for a bull up here, and the reward was so much better for a bear to be up here. And so that's what I was seeing. So I hope you guys enjoyed my analysis. Like I said, I developed this strat. It's very unique. Nobody else has it, and I spent a lot of time working on this, so I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please join the premium Discord. You will learn the most. For only $6 a month, you get all these, you get the alert setup video and all this education and daily thoughts of me in here every day. And if you want to join, go to the YouTube comments down below. I'll pin it, and it'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and they are. And then it'll also be in the YouTube description. And when you hit that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. This does not mean you're in the premium chat. This just means you're in this free chat, and what you want to do if you want to get to the subscription to pay the $6, all you have to do is go to the subscription tab where it has all of these locked channels. Just click on any channel, and it will say, would you like to be opted in for $6 a month, right? So just do keep that in mind once you hit that, and it's also cheaper to do it on a computer than on your phone, because when you do it on computer, it avoids the iOS fee. Since Discord is an app, Apple charges an iOS fee. So just click on the premium chat, use computer, it'll be $6. If you don't care about spending like an extra dollar, you can do it on your phone, no worries. And then also, guys, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think. I don't like being a bull or a bear. So when I'm making one of these videos, it was just to help educate people. There was no bias. It was just, I would take profit if I were you guys, or I would look to buy puts in this area. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe. It'll help the algorithm, share it to other retail traders, or you just like this analysis of no bias, straight up my reversal trading system that nobody else has. Just give it a like, and I appreciate that. And I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Take care, and happy trading.